The first step to clean this hotter bathroom is to remove all the trash. Everything that is trash, we are gonna remove it. We are gonna put it in a white bag. The second step is pick up shoes and towels, everything that is clothes. Shoes, we're gonna separate it, and the clothes and towels, we will put it in a black bag so the owner can wash everything. They didn't hire us to wash the clothes this time because it will be more money and more time. Then we have to prepare ourselves how we're gonna clean the bathroom, which kind of machine we are gonna use. In this situation, because the house is in really bad shape, we are using after disinfectant, of course, because before entering to the house, we have to disinfect for us. Then, when the house is disinfecting, we already remove our suits and we are gonna start cleaning with glove and mask and everything. So, the machine that we are using is an Ecolab cleaning caddy. I have two machines, the same model, and one of them is for hoarder houses. Right now, Sonia is spraying the disinfectant in all the bathroom. We have to move fast because we cannot allow water stain on the corners, on the edges, on the baseboards. So the disinfectant works really fast. In 30 seconds, all the disinfectant is gonna do the job. After we spread and we put the acidic product inside the toilet, we use the hose vacuum and start extracting all the soil. With the little brush, detail brush, and the vacuum that is a wet dry vacuum, we absorb and agitate the surface, and we are going to start removing like 90-95% of all the dirt. Moving fast, we also abstract everything from the floor. This is just the first step. So after that, we scrub the toilet, and we are not wiping now, just scrubbing and flush it. Right now, it looks so clean. Now, we spread the cleaning product that we are using, a foam spray by Ecolab 2, and a foam cleaner. We love to use foam because the foam is going to stick more time to the surface and do the job for us. Let it sit. In the meantime, we are doing another areas, and then start cleaning properly, and you can see that everything is clean and disinfectant.